Yeah, okay. Hema, you can start now. Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir. Uh, Good evening, friends. I am Hemlata Vaidyanathan. A very warm welcome to you all. We are so happy that you have decided to spend your evening with us on this lovely journey at the Dignity Foundation. The mission of Dignity Foundation is to help senior citizens like us live our lives to the fullest by providing us social avenues and valuable experiences. We have made wonderful friends who are our support system and have learned so much about various things like visual and performing arts, finance, health, etc., all of which have truly enriched our lives. Now I can start
Yes.
the.
Yes.
Yes. Perfect. Okay. Within a few weeks of joining the Vashi Chai Masti Center, Lakshmi, Jyoti, and Malika realized that all the three of them shared a childhood passion to learn Bharatanatyam, which did not happen for a variety of reasons. Their passion was enriched, their passion was rekindled after they became free from family and professional commitments. And they started looking for a guru who will teach Bharatanatyam to students in their 60s and 70s. Fortunately for them, Guru Anuradha Sasikumar, a reputed dancer herself, not only agreed to enroll them in her Natya Dance Academy, but also to teach them specially choreographed steps and movements suitable to the older persons. The classes started right in earnest at the academy, but the pandemic intervened and threatened their ambition to learn Bharatanatyam. The three did not give up. The classes continued online, each of them learning from their home and the guru teaching from her home. Mr. Nandakumar Patil, the coordinator of Vashi CMC, uh, spotted the enthusiastic trio and offered them the Dignity Foundation platform to display what the three older persons have acquired in spite of the limitations. Now, we will be presenting to you Bharatanatyam performance uh, uh, starts with Pushpanjali, in which the dancer holds flowers in her palms to offer salutation to the Lord of Cosmic Dance, Nataraja, the Guru, the musicians, and the audience. Today's Pushpanjali by Lakshmi is in the raga Natai, set to Adi Talam. The Pushpanjali will be followed by a sloka in praise of Lord Ganesha. Thank you. Over to Lakshmi.
Okay. Yeah, we are just spotlighting Lakshmi now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I will mute everyone. Those people who are operating on two machines should mute. Yes. Okay, Lakshmi, you can start.
तारितजं तजं तरिता तदिमितकिटतकतगतरिगिण त्वं तारितजं तजं तरिता तदिमितकिटतकतगतरिगिण त्वं तारितजं तजं तरिता तदिमितकिटतकतगतरिगिण त्वं तारितजं करिता तरिता करिगिण तोम तारित जम करिता तरिता करिगिण तोम तारित जम करिता हरिवित गिड करिगिण तोम तारित जम करिता हरिवित गिड करिगिण तोम तारित जम करिता सरिमित गिड करिगिण तोम तारित जम करिता सरिमित गिड करिगिण तोम तजम तकजम तकिटजम तकिटकिटजम तकरिगिण तोम तजम तकजम तकिटजम तकिटकिटजम तकरिगिण तोम तरित धन जणो 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 तरिमि रिमि रिमि तकिट तरित धनत जणो तरित धरि धरि धरित धन धन धनत जणो 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 तरिमि रिमि रिमि धरि धनत जणो तरिमित तगरिमि धरि धनत जणो तरिमित तगरिमि तरिता तदनत तजणोत तरिगिण तोम तदरिता तदनत तजणोत तरिगिण तोम तरिगिण तोम तदरिता तदनत तजणोत तरिगिण तोम तरिगिण तोम तारित जम करिता तरिमित गिड करिगिण 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 तोम तारित जम करिता
वक्रतुंड महाकाय वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकामेषु सर्वदा सर्वकालेषु सर्वदा
Yes, beautiful performance, Lakshmi.
Nice, very
It, it was really very beautiful and very graceful. Now, the next dance is about Lord Shiva, Mahadeva Shiva Shambho, Ragam Revati, Talam Adi, composer Shankara Iyer. In this song, Lord Shiva represents the power of transformation and is pure consciousness. Shiva is that which you are capable of becoming. Shiva is often called Mahadeva, the great god, and also Shambho, the abode of joy. The song translates as, Hey Mahadeva, Shiva Shambho, the one with radiance of 1 crore Madana, the one who protects worthy people, merciful, the one who gets delighted by hearing Samaveda, Gangadhara, please save me. This song will be presented by Mrs. Jyoti Ramdas. Over to you, Jyoti.
Om Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namaha. Mahadeva Shiva Shambho, Mahadeva Shiva Shambho, Shri Mahadeva Shiva Shambho, Shri Mahadeva Shiva Shambho, Shri Mahadeva Shiva Shambho, Shri Marakoti Sundara Prabhu, Shri Mahadeva Shiva Shambho, Shri Marakoti Sundara Prabhu, Shri Mahadeva Shiva Shambho. Dim dim takka dimmi dimmi tattimmi tattimmi tarikita tat tarikita tat tarikita tattimmi tat tari tarikita taka dim dim takka dimmi dimmi tattimmi tattimmi tarikita tat tarikita tat tarikita tattimmi tat tari tarikita tak sahasra koti janapalana sahasra koti janapalana sadhu samrakshana pavana sadhu samrakshana pavana katavana muni jana sakala sura sura sannuta pada king king cham cham chana 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 nu pura laya gati kana 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 vidhi hari sevita sadhu samrakshana pavana भूषणा पावना महादेव शिव शंभो सर्वेश्वर करुणाकरमूर्ते सर्वेश्वर करुणाकरमूर्ते सामगान प्रिय वेद पूर्ते सर्वेश्वर करुणाकरमूर्ते तत्कुडु दिक्कुडु तक तरिकिट तकताम् तांडव अंबर दिक्किट तक दिमि किट तक व्याघ्र तुम किट तक तोण किट तक त्रिशूलधर नं किट तक नन किट तक नंदी वाहन नागयूग प्रिय नागयूग प्रिय सामगान प्रिय वेद पूते परमेश्वर गंगाधर कीर्ते परमेश्वर गंगाधर कीर्ते जगनम किटतक तुक तक तकताम जग जग जय जय शशि रवि भूषित परमेश्वर गंगाधर कीर्ते पतित पावन श्री पशुपते पतित पावन श्री पशुपते तथीं धीं धीं तरूप भयंकर ढमरुक हस्त द्वितीय सहस्र दीक्षित नाथ नटेश कौपम तक तक तम दिग दिग तै तक तु दिक तु ता किट तुम किट तगिडं तुम किट तगिडं किन्नम किट तक दिक तम तत्तम पतित पावन श्री पशुपते पतित पावन श्री पशुपते देव शिव शंभो श्री मारकोटि सुंदर प्रभो श्री महादेव शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो
Absolutely wonderful performance, Jyoti. It was very good. Now, after two dances, we will be taking you all to a singer who will be performing a song on Saraswati, goddess Saraswati. We present to you Vashi Dignity Foundation member Anjali Devbhakta. She retired from the Reserve Bank of India and pursues her hobby of singing by performing whenever she gets an opportunity. Incidentally, she was a finalist in the music reality show TVS Saregama in the 35 and above category in the year 1997. Now, the song Jaya Sharade Vagishwari, this song sung by Asha Bhosle, is a prayer song in praise of Mata Saraswati or Sharada, as she is addressed here, describing her physical and divine qualities and seeking her blessings. So, Anjali, over to you.
शारद चंद्रमा उजळे तुझ्या हास्यातुनी उजळे तुझ्या हास्यातुनी चारी युगांची पौर्णिमा तुझी कृपेचे चांदणे तुझी कृपेचे चांदणे नित वर्षुदे अमुच्या शिरी नित वर्षुदे अमुच्या शिरी जय शारदे वागीश्वरी वीणेवरी फिरता तुझी वीणेवरी फिरता तुझी चतुरा कलामय अंगुली चतुरा कला अंगुली संगीत जन्माये नवे संगीत जन्माये नवे जडता मतीची भंगली उन्मेष कल्पतरुवरी उन्मेष कल्पतरुवरी बहरून आल्या मंजिरी बहरून आल्या मंजिरी जय शारदे वागीश्वरी विधी कन्यके विद्याधरी वागीश्वरी वागीश्वरी जय शारदे वागीश्वरी जय शारदे वागीश्वरी
Sorry, there was some difference in coordination between the.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, it was recorded.
It's
Na?
okay. No problem.
That was
Hema?
irritating.
Yeah.
Now, very beautiful performance, huh? Anjali. Melodious singing. Very nice. Now, the next performer is Mrs. Mallika Krishna Kumar. Song name is Chetti Mandaram Tulasi. The dance guru is Mrs. Anuradha Shashikumar. Chetti Mandaram Tulasi is a very sweet song in Malayalam language composed by the poet Vayalar Ramavarma. In the song, the composer describes the various forms in which a devotee desires to see Lord Krishna, the beloved Lord of the gopis. He says, "O Lord Krishna, I wish to see you adorned with a yellow silk dhoti, various types of fragrant flowers, the tulasi mala around your neck, and the peacock feather on your head. I wish to see you, whose body is smeared with sandal paste and whose magical sound of the flute is admired by the gopikas. Hey Krishna, please have mercy to accept the avil puffed rice bag soaked with my tears, offered to you. I am a refugee in this material world. There is no one else for me except you and your blessings. Guruvayurappa ninne kani kaninam. Malika, over to you.
ചിട്ടി മന്ദാരം തുളസി പിച്ചകമാലകൾ ചാത്തി ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പാ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം. ചിട്ടി മന്ദാരം തുളസി പിച്ചകമാലകൾ ചാത്തി ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പാ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം. മയിൽ പീലി ചൂടിക്കൊണ്ടും മഞ്ഞത്തൂകിൽ ചുറ്റിക്കൊണ്ടും മണിപ്പുഴലോടിക്കൊണ്ടും കണി കാണണം. മയിൽ പീലി ചൂടിക്കൊണ്ടും മഞ്ഞത്തൂകിൽ ചുറ്റിക്കൊണ്ടും മണിപ്പുഴലോടിക്കൊണ്ടും കണി കാണണം. ചിത്തി മന്ദാരം തുളസി പിച്ചകമാലകൾ ചാത്തി ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പാ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം. വാഗച്ചാർത്തു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ വാസനപ്പൂവണിയുമ്പോൾ ഗോപികമാർ കൊതിക്കുന്നോരുടെ കാണണം. വാഗച്ചാർത്തു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ വാസനപ്പൂവണിയുമ്പോൾ ഗോപികമാർ കൊതിക്കുന്നോരുടെ കാണണം. ചിത്തി മന്ദാരം തുളസി പിച്ചകമാലകൾ ചാത്തി ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പാ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം. അഗതിയമടിയന്റെ അശ്രുവീണു കുതിർന്നോരെ ആവിൽ പോലെ കൈക്കൊള്ളുവാൻ കണി കാണണം. അഗതിയമടിയന്റെ അശ്രുവീണു കുതിർന്നോരെ ആവിൽ പോലെ കൈക്കൊള്ളുവാൻ കണി കാണണം. ചിത്തി മന്ദാരം തുളസി പിച്ചകമാലകൾ ചാത്തി ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പാ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം.
Superb, superb performance. Very expressive, Malika. It was very beautiful. You danced very beautifully.
Thank you, thank you.
Now, Anjali will come with a second song, Ek Radha, Ek Meera. This song from the film Ram Teri Ganga Maili, sung by Lata Mangeshkar and composed by Ravindra Jain, appreciates the difference between the devotion of two famous devotees of Lord Krishna, Radha and Meera. Over to you, Anjali.
एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दरस दीवानी, एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दरस दीवानी, एक राधा एक मीरा, दोनों ने श्याम को चाहा, अंतर क्या दोनों की चाह में बोलो, अंतर क्या दोनों की चाह में बोलो, एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दरस दीवानी। राधा ने मधुबन में ढूंढा, मीरा ने मन में पाया, राधा जिसे खो बैठी वो गोविंद, मीरा हाथ बिकाया, एक मुरली एक पायल, एक पगली एक घायल, अंतर क्या दोनों की प्रीत में बोलो, एक प्रीत क्या दोनों की प्रीत में बोलो, एक सूरत लुभानी, एक मूरत लुभानी, एक सूरत लुभानी, एक मूरत लुभानी, एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दरस दीवानी। मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, राजा के मनमोहन, सागम पद पदम परे मद गरे सनि रे गम गम पम पद पद सनि सरे आ मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, राधा के मनमोहन, राधा नित श्रृंगार करे और मीरा बन गई जोगन, एक रानी एक दासी, दोनों हरि प्रेम की प्यासी, अंतर क्या दोनों की तृप्ति में बोलो, अंतर क्या दोनों की तृप्ति में बोलो, एक जीत न मानी, एक हार न मानी, एक जीत न मानी, एक हार मानी, एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दरस दीवानी, एक राधा एक मीरा, दोनों ने श्याम को चाहा, अंतर क्या दोनों की चाह में बोलो, एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दरस दीवानी, एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दरस दीवानी, एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दरस दीवानी।
Beautiful, Anjali. Lovely singing. Now the next dance will be presented by Mrs. Jyoti Ramdas. The song name is Bhagyada Lakshmi Ragam, Shri, Talam, Adi, composer Purandara Dasa. Choreography by Mrs. Anuradha Shashikumar. O goddess of fortune and prosperity, Lakshmi, please come in, making jingling sounds of your anklets. Come showering gold and wealth, fulfilling all our desires. O daughter of Janaka, come soon with your hands, adorned with sparkling bangles. O Lakshmi, lotus-eyed one, with a face adorned with kumkum, the lovely queen of Venkataramana and Purandara Vithala, please come to our house. Jyoti, come on, take over.
लक्ष्मी क्षीर समुद्र राजतनया श्रीरंगधामेश्वरी लक्ष्मी क्षीर समुद्र राजतनया क्षीर समुद्र राजतनया श्रीरंगधामेश्वरी दासीभूत समस्त देव वनिता लोकैक दीपांकुरा श्रीमन्मन्द कटाक्ष लब्ध विभव ब्रह्मेन्द्र गंगाधरा त्वां त्रैलोक्य कुटुंबिनी सरसिजां वन्दे मुकुंद प्रिया वन्दे मुकुंद प्रिया मुकुंद प्रिया ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ದನಿಯ ತೋರುತ್ತ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ದನಿಯ ತೋರುತ್ತ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯಂತೆ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯಂತೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಕನಕ ವೃಷ್ಟಿಯ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತ ಬಾರೆ ಮನಕಾಮನೆಯ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಯ ತೋರೆ ಕನಕ ವೃಷ್ಟಿಯ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತ ಬಾರೆ ಮನಕಾಮನೆಯ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಯ ತೋರೆ ದಿನಕರೆ ಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜದಿ ಹೊಳೆಯು ಜನಕರಾಯನ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಬೇಗ ದಿನಕರೆ ಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜದಿ ಹೊಳೆಯು ಜನಕರಾಯನ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಬೇಗ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಶಂಕೆಯಿಲ್ಲದ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಂಕಣ ಕೈಯ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತ ಬಾರೆ ಶಂಕೆಯಿಲ್ಲದ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಂಕಣ ಕೈಯ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತ ಬಾರೆ ಕುಂಕುಮಾಂಗಿತೆ ಪಂಕಜಲೋಚ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣನ ಬಿಂಕದರಾಗು ಕುಂಕುಮಾಂಗಿತೆ ಪಂಕಜಲೋಚ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣನ ಬಿಂಕದರಾಡಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತುಪ್ಪದ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತುಪ್ಪದ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತುಪ್ಪದ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಳಗಿರಿ ರಂಗ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಳಗಿರಿ ರಂಗನ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನೀ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನೀ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ
So Jyoti, beautiful performance, very beautiful. Bhagyada Lakshmi Paramma. So nice, very nice. Now the next item is Anjali will be singing a song, Pasayadan. After completion of his famous works, Dhyaneshwari, the famous Marathi saint Sant Dhyaneshwar, seeks prasad from his guru in the form of well-being of the entire world. So, Anjali, over to you.
Start.
Anjali.
Yeah.
Ah.
आता विश्वात्मके देवी येणे भाग्यज्ञे तोषावे मोक्षोनी मज द्यावे पसायदानही जे खळांची व्यंकटी सांडो तया सत्कर्मी रती वाढो भूता परस्परे पडो मैत्र जीवांचे दुरिताचे तिमिर जाओ विश्वस्वधर्म सूर्ये पाहू जो जे वांछील तो तेला हो प्राणी जात वर्षत सकळ मंगळी ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदियाळी वरत भूमंडळी भेट तू भूता चला कल्पतरूंचे आरव चेतना चिंतामणीचे गाव बोलते जे अर्णव पियुषांचे चंद्रमेजे लांछन मार्तंड जेता पहिन ते सर्वाही सदा सज्जन सोयरे होतु बहुना सर्वसुखी पूर्ण होवो नीतिही लोकी विधी
जो आदि पुरुषी आणि ग्रंथोपजीविये विशेषी लोकिये दृष्टा दृष्ट विजये होवावे जी वेद म्हणे श्री विश्वेश्वराव दान बसाव वेळेवरे ज्ञान देवो सुखिया झाला Thank you.
Really very emotional song, Anjali. It was,
Thank you.
yeah, really speechless, you can say. Very beautiful.
Thank you.
Now the next performer is Lakshmi. The next dance by Lakshmi is a Padam, which is the centerpiece in a dance recital. Today's Padam is in Raga Atana, starting with the words Madhura Madhura set to Aditalam. Over to you, Lakshmi.
मधुर मधुर वेणुगीतं 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 मोद मदन कुसुम सुकुमार मधुर मधुर वेणुगीतं मोद मदन कुसुम सुकुमार मधुर मधुर वेणुगीतं मृदुतर पल्लव पदकर युगवर मृदुतर पल्लव पदकर युगवर मुदित मनोहर मोहन गिरिधर मुदित मनोहर मोहन गिरिधर मधुर मधुर वेणुगीतं मोहर मदन कुसुम सुकुमार मधुर मधुर
Oh, no audio. Hello, no audio.
बहुविध कलभ कस्तूरी तिलक गंधम बहुविध कलभ कस्तूरी तिलक गंधम बहुविध कलभ कस्तूरी तिलक गंधम सुगंधम कामम समागम कुरुविद कोकिल कलरव उचित वृंद ವಿಧ ಕೋಕಿಲ ಕಳರವ ಉಚಿತ ವೃಂದಾವನ ಸದನ ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ ನೀಲ ಧುಲಿ ಕೋಮಳಾಂಗ ಮೃದು ಮಂದಹಾಸವದನ ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ ನೀಲ ಧುಲಿ ಕೋಮಳಾಂಗ ಮೃದು ಮಂದಹಾಸ ವದನ ಚಂದ್ರ ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಯನ ನಾಗೇಂದ್ರ ಶಯನ ರಮಣ ಚಂದ್ರ ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಯನ ನಾಗೇಂದ್ರ ಶಯನ ರಮಣ ಕೃತಿ ಕೃತಿ ಸೈ ತಜಂ ತಗ ತಗ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಕೃತಿ ಕೃತಿ ಸೈ ತಜಂ ತಗ ತಗ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಶ್ರೀನಾರಿ ಸತಣಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಸರಿಮ ಪಾಮಿ ತತ್ತಿ ತಳಾಂಗು ತಗದಂ ತಗಡಿ ತಳಾಂಗು ತಗದಂ ತಗಡಿ ತಳಾಂಗು ತಗದಂ ಮಧುರ ಮಧುರ ವೇಣು ಗೀತಂ ಮೋಗ ಮದನ ಕುಸುಮ ಸುಮಾರ ದೇಗ ಮಧುರ ಮಧುರ ವೇಣು ಗೀತಂ ಮೋಗ ಮದನ ಕುಸುಮ ಸುಮಾರ ಮಧುರ ಮಧುರ ವೇಣು ಗೀತಂ
Excellent, Lakshmi. Brilliant performance. You change your costume. You have changed your costume also now, na?
Yeah.
Third one also you'll be changing. Nice to see you all in different.
No. There is not much of time.
Okay. Now there is a guest among us. Her name is Deepti. She's a relative of Mallika.
She is a mother-in-law of, daughter-in-law of Mallika.
Mallika's, okay. Mallika's
daughter-in-law. So we have mother-in-law dancing and now daughter-in-law dancing. So
very good. Let us watch. The dance is Sita Kalyanam. Is one of the most popular Karnataka Kriti, small song composed by Sri Tyagaraja Swami. This song has several small charanams, that is small paragraphs. If you have attended a South Indian wedding, you would invariably find elderly women singing the song at some point during the occasion, and especially during the Varmala, that when they exchange the garland and the jula and all, they will sing this song. This Kirtanam, that is a small song, they say, celebrates the marriage of Lord Rama and Sita and also explains the myriad qualities of Rama in elaborate detail. The song, therefore, warrants a tender yet strong bhava expression for the dancer akin to Rama's qualities and evokes bhakti, devotion in the listener. So let us all listen and watch Deepti's dance. Over to you, Deepti.
Nandu, you have to spotlight us.
Namaste, Namaskaram. I'm Deepti, and today I'm going to be presenting on a song called Sita Kalyanam, which is a kirtana, which means a small song written by Carnatic composer Sri Tyagaraja. I hope you enjoy it.
Okay, no video, please.
Okay, there is no video. Please start the video.
Video.
There's some problem.
Sir, please start the video and then you screen share.
Ah.
Stop it. Share screen.
Now it's okay.
Getting it?
Yeah, right.
And today I'm going to be presenting on a song called Sita Kalyanam, which is a kirtane, which means a small song written by Carnatic composer Sri Tyagaraja. I hope you enjoy it.
पवन जसुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रवि सोमवर नेत्र रमणीय गात्र पवन जसुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रवि सोमवर नेत्र रमणीय गात्र सीता कल्याण वैभोगमे रामा कल्याण वैभोगमे परमेशनुतनीत भवजलधिपोत धरणिकुल संजात त्यागराजनुत सीता कल्याण रामा
Namaste, Namaskaram. I'm Deepthi, and today I'm going to be presenting.
Brilliant performance, Deepti. You danced very gracefully, and we are very happy that we had got an opportunity to see you dancing. Thank you so much, Malika and KK, for this this thing. Beautiful song, really lovely. Enjoyed very much. Now, the next performer is Lakshmi. She will be coming with a dance performance, which is called Mangalam, meaning an auspicious ending. Lakshmi offers namaskarams to the gods, the guru, and the audience with a piece in the ragam Madhyamavati. Lakshmi, come on.
Hema, is it the last performance?
Yes, this is the
Okay.
last one.
Okay.
Hey, they have to spotlight. Spotlight on Lakshmi, please.
Mangalam Sri Maha Ganapati ke Mangalam Valli Devasena Sameta Subrahmanyake Mangalam Shivagami Natarajanake Mangalam Lakshmi Narayananake Mangalam Rama Bharata Anjaneyanake Anjaneyanake Mangalam
Excellent ending, Lakshmi. Beautiful. You danced very nicely. Very expressive dances. All dances. Everybody danced very well. Anjali, you just, what to say? We can't. There is no expression to how you have sung the songs. Thank you so much for all your performances. Now, finally, I just want to say a few words. We want to give special thanks to our coordinator, Mr. Nandu Patil, who has always been at the forefront when it comes to organizing activities and coordinating guests for events like Zumba, yoga, physiotherapy, etc. Mr. Patil is a pillar and a leader at the Dignity Foundation. Without him, we wouldn't be so emotionally and socially fulfilled during this difficult time of COVID. He is a very empathetic person too. He is always there whenever anybody needs him. At the hour, need of the hour, he is always there present. I'm so thankful to Nandu ji and everybody that I'm really proud to be a dignity member of Vashi Center. We would also, thank you. We would 3 cheers for Nandu. Okay. Now we would also like to thank Professor Sushma Lahiri. We should not forget her, who was the head of the IT department at Agra University. Although she had the love for photography since her childhood days, she took full-fledged training only after her retirement. Okay. I would like to mention here that she holds photography sessions at our center as well. An online session also at other center. Though we don't have to go to any professional outside for digital shooting work when she is there. Proud to be associated with a multi-talented group of Vashi Chai Masti Center. I am very thankful to you all that you allowed me to talk today, and that's all I can say. Thank you very much. Over to Sushma.
Sushma ji, vote of thanks, please.
Thanks to all the dignitarians present here from all over India for this program. On behalf of Vashi Chai Masti Center, I, Sushma Lahiri, extend a hearty vote of thanks to Dr. Sheelu Srinivasan, President of Dignity Foundation, Dr. Sujay Joshi, Chief Operating Officer, Kusum, Chapter Head of Mumbai, Rajesh, Technical Administrator. Special thanks to all the performers, Lakshmi, Mallika, Jyoti, Anjali, and Deepti. They have fulfilled their childhood dream by performing in this All India event of Dignity Foundation. Lastly, a big thank goes to the organizer and all persons who helped in this program of All India, and especially Mr. Nand Kumar Patil, the coordinator of Vashi Chai Masti Center. I cannot forget our lovely enthusiastic audience from all over the India and coordinators of all the centers of Dignity Foundation. One to all, thank you. Thank you very much.
Very well done. Proud of you, all of you.